How to fix Honor Magic 7 camera crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and again click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then force stop your camera from here. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and restart your phone. For restart your phone, press and hold power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, open settings and then again click on apps and open camera, and here you can see the option storage. Now click on it and from here you can clear your cache memory. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system updates and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and from here you can reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.